Hi friends, again we are ready to get some refreshment. This time we are going to Kuch Bihar. So there's two purpose of going to Kuch Bihar. One is that my in-laws house is there. So there my wife will get some time to spend with them. Another thing is that while traveling to Kuch Bihar we'll stop at some places and try to get some fresh air from this place. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. So we have begun our journey, and right now I am wearing this mask because I need to go to petrol pump to fill petrol from there. So after onwards, whenever we are in car, we don't wear mask because in car I don't feel that it is necessary to wear mask because in my car nobody else enter. So this is a very beautiful evening time. You can see the bright sunshine. So friends, you can see the common traffic of Alipurduar, and that's why it will take time to go out from Alipurduar because this is one way route, and in this route there is a heavy traffic jam. Another route is there, though the road is not constructed. Actually it is on the bank of river Kaljani. So from there one route is there, so generally people use bike to come from, but if you are driving car then this is the only route you. Okay, so now we are out of traffic. Now we are moving to the Kaljani bridge. So this bridge is very important because this is, you can say, the welcome bridge to Alipurduar.
And this bridge is adjoining all the places that we have. When we want to contact with Alipurduar, you have to cross.
So the route what I was talking about, you can see on my right side. This is the route, So actually this is the bank of Kaljani. So this is under construction, and when it will be completely constructed, then we can get less traffic because then these two routes will be used equally. Friends, we are moving now to the Chowpatty. You cannot say Chowpatty, is a Birpara Chowpatty we used to call it, clear. But the main, this is a three-way route. One route is also there. This is the narrow route on the right hand side. But actually, this is a route from where you can take Kuch Bihar route, and at the same time Palakata route, which will take you to Siliguri. And another one is where we are right now. That is Alipurduar route. So we will take the left route. Clear. So already the traffic is allowing us. So we are taking the left route. Yes. Now we are moving towards Kuch Bihar. Actually in the route you can find so many petrol pumps here, and I think in my last video you have seen the Jayanti Hills. So here also, from here you can see the Jayanti Hills. I will show you one turn is there, a beautifully curved turn you can see. So here you can see some post has been constructed. Actually in the earlier when that is COVID-19 was in its tremendous form, that time people are stopped here and they are checked before they enter into our district.
Now also the checking is going on, but starts from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. in the morning. The checking part is also now out there, but it is have a specific timing.
earlier actually, if we go back to 10 years earlier, this route what you are seeing today, that is huge road, you know, 2 or 3 vehicles are crossing, you know, each other. But earlier or before 10 years, it was not like that. This was a narrow road, and at the same time, so many trees are there. The road is always under the shadow of the trees. But right now, you cannot find huge trees. So this is one, what you say, that the pathetic note. But for the industrialization or for the urbanization, we are doing this. We are harming the nature, and in turn, the nature is showing its power. So I already told you I will show you a curve. Right now you can see in front of me that will take a curve right side, a turn. Actually this turn, you know, while driving car, you should be very much careful about this turn, because this place is known for so many accidents. You can see on my left hand side the huge stretches of, you know, cultivable land. Now it is covered with water because of heavy rain. You can find so many types of, you know, birds here waiting for fish and other, you know, insects. One interesting thing, is that if we find in the middle of our journey, then we'll stop and we'll show you that, you know, here the people sometimes come in this wetland and, you know, use nets and other equipments to catch fish. This is very interesting to see, and later they are sold in market. Now we are in Bokali. This place is known as Bokali. So a small market is there on the roadside. So here, you know, many small villages are there on the both side of the road. I think right now we'll cross another bridge. There is a river. What is the name of that river?
It is Gharghara or Gharghara?
Gharghara.
This kind.
Ghagra.
Yes, right.
Yeah,
Ghagra
so
river.
friends, this is Ghagra river. Now you can see another bridge.
Actually, the road is very, very smooth. There is no kind of harsh element that you can see in the road. Only the beauty of the rural area that you can see in this throughout this path. And yes, I was telling about the bridge. Oh, it is the Gharghariya River Bridge. It is also very, very, a very important bridge that is connecting Alipurduar to Cooch Behar.
Actually, this river sometimes becomes the very, what you'll say, horrid dreams for the people living here, because, sometimes this river becomes the reason of flood. তুমি এসি চলে রাখছো কেন? To a place called Baneshwar. This place is well known for tortoises, because there is a pond beside a temple. In the temple Lord Shiva is worshipped, very known temple. So people used to come during Shivratri. They worship, and there's a huge line here. So right now I will tell you that on which side the temple is. So here you can see the railway crossing. So on the left hand side, one road has gone. So in that route, when you move further, you can find the temple, and in beside the temple there is a pond. In that pond, so many tortoises are there. It is believed that they are the gods parts. So if you take any tortoise from there, or if you harm any tortoise, then that punishment for the person will be imminent.
किसी दिन हम भी चलेंगे, वहाँ पे भी ब्लॉग करेंगे, लेकिन आज तो जाना है मुझे अपने घर और इनको अपने ससुराल।
या फ्रेंड्स, तो ऑब्वियसली एक दिन हमें जाना ही है। एक दिन उस बानेश्वर टेम्पल के ऊपर भी हम लोग एक ब्लॉग बनाएंगे, तो हम लोग आपको दिखाएंगे कि इतने बड़े बड़े यहाँ पर कछुआ मिलता है, और यहाँ पर आप कछुआ को कुछ प्रोवाइड नहीं कर सकते खाने के लिए।
Beforehand we can provide the muris and all. Muri is very famous for the Bengali culture. तो हम लोग वहाँ पे दे सकते थे, वो मोआ बोल के एक होता है, लेकिन अब वो अलाउड नहीं करते हैं, क्योंकि उसके बाद से शायद
एक्चुअली क्या होता है कि दोस्तों कि हम लोग जब बहुत एक्साइट हो जाते हैं ना, तो एक्साइटमेंट में आके हम लोग बहुत कुछ करने लगते हैं। तो उधर भी ऐसा होता था कि कुछ हाँ पहले अलाउ था कि तो आप कुछ मोआ या फिर मुड़ी दे सकते हैं। तो पहले इतना होता था कि सब जाके देते थे, लेकिन बाद में इतना होने लगा ये सब कि उधर के जो कछुआ रहते थे टर्टल्स, तो उनके जो लाइफ साइकिल है उसमें रुकावट होने लगे, फिर कुछ डिजीजेस भी स्प्रेड होने लगे। तो उसके बाद क्या हुआ, जो अथॉरिटी ने पूरा स्ट्रिक्ट हो गया कि नहीं, आप कुछ खाना लेके अंदर जा नहीं सकते। तो ये चलिए दूसरे ब्रिज पे भी हम लोग आ चुके हैं। दिस अनदर ब्रिज, एंड नाउ वी आर मूविंग टू गोपालपुर। So already you can see the clouds have covered the sky.
From few days the rain is just can't stoppable.
That is incessant raining.
Yes. And here also in the path you can see some BSF corners. The headquarters is there, and
you can see the camp. Actually, the protectors of us, we salute them for their contribution, for the sacrifice for us, for the country. Really, their work is commendable.
Actually, they are the one. Why and what is the reason that we can sleep?
Yes, obviously.
Really.
We are sleeping. We are doing our job only because of them. Because they are awaking and
they are protecting our country.
Yes. So friends, now we are moving to Gopalpur, and you can see these are all parts of Gopalpur. Once you show the what else, the sun, you can see the sun,
which doesn't have any power.
Yes, obviously. It seems that the sun is right now not powerful because the clouds had completely controlled it.
And you can see the clouds, like they are not so far from us. It just seems like that. In the mid-between part, you can see in the screen that we can touch if we can just have some stairs.
So this is a small market of Gopalpur. From the right hand side there is a small route or short route that leads you to Pundibari. So from this route can we also go to Pundibari. This is another BSF camp, and that is KB Vidyalaya is also here on the right hand side. This is Gopalpur KB. This is 47 Battalion. One thing that journey can never be bored.
Yes.
Because sometimes we find that yes, today I need to go to Jayanti, or I am going to Lava, that means it will be superb. It's not like that. Journey depends on whom you are completing this journey or whom you are traveling. It doesn't matter that where you are moving, where you are going, then always it gives you refreshment. Right now we are enjoying this place. We have gone this place, we have used this place numerous times.
Yes.
Even we cannot count. But still this, when we move to this place, it gives us refreshment. Nothing you can understand or you can feel, nothing is there, nothing to see. But still this place has so many things. So this is a newly bridge, it is not properly built right now. Only half portion is built. It is one flyover. When it will be constructed, then from this place it will look more beautiful, because from there we can see the new Kuch Bihar station. So now we are entering Dodeyar Hut. This place is well known for red meat, that is we call khashi. So
And this is very known for us because we have a travel in this past numerous places. Yes.
we have no roaming space. Many times, currently we have long time, but in short period, short time of the time.
हमने ऐसा कुछ यहाँ पर काम किया है। क्या करना है? बड़ी हम करते हैं।
This is item estimation. Because now you give to
No from this boy. Of course, you need to know. अरे टाइम करते हैं मैं इसको कर दो। ये सब क्या? कुछ और बना दो।
Friends, now we are entering Kuch Bihar. This is Khagrawari. So you can say this is the front gate of Kuch Bihar. This Khagrawari. So friends, now we will enter to my in-laws house, and then we'll have a nice talk there, and after coming from there I will again talk with you. Bye bye for the time being. Hi friends, after spending quality time in in-laws house, now we are leaving Kuch Bihar. Though I told you that we'll visit some places in Kuch Bihar, but we were so engaged in the conversation in in-laws house that we forget time. Now it's all about 8:35 and we need to go out because we know that there is a restriction from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. and as a law-abiding person, citizen, we cannot avoid these, we cannot disobey this. That's why we are leaving Kuch Bihar and we are going to Alipurdwar. And please write your comment in the comment section to let us know that how you have enjoyed the video, and also share your experience about any journey. Thank you. Bye bye.